Hi everyone. Today I thought it would be fun to make a colorful butterfly snack. Follow along with me as I follow this recipe. Let's go step by step and create a yummy snack. For this activity, you'll need graham crackers or any flat cracker or cookie that you have at home, pretzel-shaped pretzels for the wings, frosting, any color will do. If you don't have frosting, you can use yogurt or cream cheese or peanut butter. Skittles or M&Ms, craisins or raisins to form the body of the butterfly, and we're going to make a pattern using them. Sprinkles or nonpareils or colored sugar, whatever you have at home to decorate the butterfly wings. Let's get started. The first step is we're going to spread the frosting or yogurt or peanut butter or cream cheese on your cracker. You'll need a healthy amount so that everything sticks. I happen to have green frosting, so that's what I used. Next, we're going to put on the Skittles or whatever you have and make a pattern to form the body. I've poured some Skittles in a plate. And before I can make my pattern, I need to sort them. So I'm going to sort mine by color. I have green and yellow and red and orange and purple. And now I can choose two colors to make my pattern. Today I'm going to choose yellow and orange. So I'm going to start by patterning with yellow and then orange. I'm going to continue my pattern. Yellow, orange, yellow. Oh, and I ran out of room to complete my pattern. But it would end with orange. So here's my pattern. Yellow, orange, yellow, orange, yellow, and orange. Might just have to eat that one later. Okay. Next, let's take our pretzels and make the wings. So I'm going to press my pretzels on so they stick. Don't press too hard because you don't want it to break. And there's my butterfly wings. Now, butterfly wings are the same on both sides. They're symmetrical. So in order to make my butterfly with symmetrical wings, I have to put sprinkles on using the same colors on both sides. So I've already sorted my colored sprinkles. So if I put purple sprinkles on one side, I need to put them on the other side in the same spot so that my wings are symmetrical. I'm using my pincer grip. It's good fine motor exercise because sprinkles are tiny. They're hard to pick up. So I've got to squeeze my fingers together to grab them. So I've put purple on both sides. Now I'm going to put a little pink on both sides. And there's 3 sections in a pretzel, so I'm going to pick a third color. I think I'm going to use yellow. This is looking very yummy, very sweet. Okay, and after you've put on your sprinkles and it's to your liking, you made your symmetrical butterfly. That looks like a very yummy snack. Oh, the last part on the recipe says eat. So that's what I'm going to go and do. We spread the frosting, we put a pattern for the body. We added the wings. We added the sprinkles to make symmetrical wings. And now it's time to eat. Well, I hope you had fun making your colorful butterfly. Enjoy!